close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading.
Hey everyone, so today in this video I'm gonna be sharing with you guys this look right here. This is a neon green and yellow eyes makeup look, and I hope you love this makeup look. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. So yeah, if you want to watch this video, so let's keep on watching this video. First of all, I started my makeup with my eyes. So I'll do my eyes. So for my eye primer, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless Fit Me foundation. It is normal to oily skin and my shade is 235 Pure Beige. So I'm using this foundation and its coverage are so good. So I'm just take it little bit foundation on my back hand for prime my eyelids. So I'm just taking out the little bit of foundation and just apply on my eyes to make a best coverage. So just apply like this on my eye area and blend it out with the beauty blender. Now I'm powder it with the Blue Heaven Silicone Foundation powder. So I'm take this color, take this foundation and just set out my eyelid. So for my eye makeup, I'm using this Mars eyeshadow palette, and it is a very good palette because it has multicolors in it and all colors are matte and some 1 to 3 colors are shiny colors. So I'm just take out any random color. So I'm just take out first of all these light brown color. So I'm just take out in my brush and apply on my eyelid area to get a transition shade. Draw a cut crease on my eyes, for cut crease I'm using this Lakme 925. So I'm just take it on a brush and little bit foam and just make a cut crease on the eyes. So I'm just take this here. I apply this color on my whole eyelid. So now I'm taking this yellow shade right here. So this is a bright neon yellow color. So I'm just taking it color on my finger and I apply on my eyelid. Now I'm taking this dark brown shade for my outer V. Eyeliner, I'm gonna be using this Maleoka liner Stiletto Ultimate Precision Liquid Eyeliner, and it is a very great eyeliner. So I'm just gonna be use it on my eyelid. I apply false eyelashes offline. So off camera I'll just applying my false eyelashes. Now I am moving on to my face makeup. So now I'm applying foundation on my full face. So I'm just take again foundation on my back hand and just apply it with the help of a damp beauty blender and just apply this foundation on my foundation on my full face. Now I'm moving on to blush. So I just apply the blush on my face. So I'm using this Miss Claire blush, as you can see, and my shade number is 17. So I'm just using this blush on my cheeks because it is a very beautiful peach pink shade. So I just apply a little bit on my cheek. Like this. I'm just applying a little bit. I'm not going on so much blush. I'm just applying a little bit blush on my cheeks to give a natural finish. Now I am moving on to highlighter. So for my highlighter, I'm going to be using this In Color highlighter. So that is the In Color highlighter, and my shade number is 05 Radiant. So I'm just using this, and I take the whole shade, all the shades in my brush, and just apply it on my cheeks. Now I'm moving on to the eyebrows. So I'm just using this Arius eyebrow pencil. I always use this pencil because that make my brows very real. So I'm just using this eyebrow pencil to fill my eyebrows. So I'm just fill my eyebrows very little bit in a natural form. So now I'm moving on to the mascara. So for mascara, I'm using this Blue Heaven Long Lasting Mascara on my eyes. So I'll just apply this mascara. Now I'm just complete out my eye makeup. So I'm just taking this neon green shade and just apply this color little bit on my brush and just pat it down, and I'm just applying this color on my inner V to make a colorful makeup like this, if you can see. Now I am taking this dark brown shade again in my slim brush, and I'm just applying this dark brown color on my lower lash line to blend out. Finish off this makeup, I'm using this Elvin lip crayon and super matte lip crayon in the shade 21. So I'm just applying with the help of this lipstick brush, and I'm just applying on my lips. Glow of the highlighter, natural glow of the highlighter. It is a very beautiful highlighter. And now I finish off my makeup with makeup setting spray, and applying makeup setting spray on my makeup to set out Mars makeup fixing spray to set out my makeup. Set out the excess with this beauty blender. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all like my makeup, this makeup look. This is a neon green makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. So till then, take care. Bye.